Hi, I'm Rebecca. I'm a third year microbiology PhD student and I'm researching the bacteria that live inside insects. Sometimes you'll find me in the lab doing traditional wet lab microbiology. Other times I'm on my laptop working on computer models of bacterial metabolism. I became a scientist because I love science and I love learning. It's as simple as that, really. I couldn't imagine a career that doesn't involve science. My main inspiration to study biology was and still is my secondary school biology teacher. Her enthusiasm for biology was infectious and she had a lot of belief in my abilities. She remains one of the main influences on my career. I have anxiety and OCD, so I'm quite a natural born worrier. I think in the short term I'm quite concerned about getting my first publication out. People often say how important it is to get something tangible out of your PhD, so I think once I've managed to do that I'll feel a lot better. And then also I'm getting towards the business end of my PhD, so I'm really starting to think about what I'm going to be doing afterwards, and I'm quite concerned about making sure that I do make the right decisions about what path to take in my career. So. My scariest moment is probably right before I went into the interview for the PhD that I've now accepted. It suddenly dawned on me how important these 3 people in those 30 minutes were going to be to my life and to my career as a whole. Day to day, I'm quite scared of having to use the large centrifuge, and also it was quite a scary experience when I set fire to the ethanol that I put in a plastic petri dish. I think young people should consider a career in science because there are so many different topics that you'll definitely find something that you're interested in. And then if you decide at the end of the day that being in a lab is not for you, then there are so many different careers that you can do with a science degree as well. That's all from me. Feel free to give me a follow on my Twitter, Instagram or on my blog.